Hello children, I am your teacher, mentor, Prapti Saxena. My motive is to make this video and to bring money Kranti in our country. Let's plant a money tree. I don't know why children, but not a single school in our country gives knowledge related to money. That is, how to earn it, how to increase it, or how to grow a money tree at your home. No for means I can say that the financial institutions of our country, like schools, they are not providing any education focusing on financial education. In fact, even after when we become mature to understand the importance of money, even then no education or knowledge is provided to us to plant a money tree. Now you will all say that why do we need to earn money, or we should earn it from now. This work belongs to our parents, our elders, but it is not like that, children. Because if we want to plant a tree, we should start it now. Let me tell you one thing: you all must have saved money in a whole year, because somewhere in some form, from the others, from your parents, from your dada dadi or nana nani, they give you money in the form of blessings. Sometimes your buaji, your mamaji, any relative visits to you, he or she should give you money in the form of their blessings. Okay, so this is the amount which you are saving in a whole year. Your saving it's as your big savings. Okay, so this amount, short amount, that is 10 rupees, 20 rupees, which you are saving in your piggy bank, you must save it, children, because this is the this is the habit which brings which provide us to save money, to collect money, and stop wastage of money. Even my son, I am telling him to save some money every month, and I am also put some money in its piggy bank. Okay, and this is how it become your monthly income. We have to plant money from this earning. Okay, in simple words, we have to increase these earnings a lot, and with this we can plant a money tree. Now you'll ask how it will happen. Children, I would like to say that things that when you grow up, you have to manage your family either by having business or doing jobs. Okay, so you have to start learning to grow your money from now onwards. Okay, next we have to understand that how we can earn more money. Here I am telling you some ways through which you can invest your money and you can increase your money. The first one is like money tree. The money tree is having so many branches. Here we are going to tell you the 12 types of branches we are growing to invest our money. Okay, first is we can earn money from bank. How? By doing FDs, RDs and MIS. Okay, FD is fixed deposit, RD is recurring deposit, and MIS is monthly income source. FD is fixed deposit, means you have to add one thing also, children, that is PPF. Okay, FD is a fixed amount. You put fixed amount into the bank and you are getting interest in the form of earning. Next is recurring deposit. This is the saving which you can do on monthly basis with a little and some little amounts. MIS is monthly savings, monthly income source. It is a source from where we can invest a fixed amount, and bank is providing us interest which we can draw from our savings account. So some little amounts we are drawing from every month, that is called monthly income source. PPF also I will tell you in detail. I will make a video on it, that what is PPF. Actually the PPF is giving you interest at the rate of 8% approximately. Okay, next is the next branch of our money tree is post office. Post office is similar to the bank. It works like a bank only. Here also we can do FD, RD, MIS, PPF, and Kisan Vikas Patra. Kisan Vikas Patra. This is also a one investment mode where we can double our money. If you are investing 50,000 money in a current year, you will get double of 10,000. That is 50,000 rupees after 10 years. Okay. The next in the fixed deposit, or we can also, if you are investing money in the post office or banks, you are getting interest, but in the post office you are getting interest slightly higher than the bank. Okay, so next is buying up. The next one is buying a silver coin. Third branch of our tree is silver coin. Silver is a good investment. By buying silver coin, we can take advantage of huge rate of silver that happens every year. And whenever we need money, we can sell this coin and bring more money to our home every year. The average rate of silver increases by 10% in the long run. Okay. Next is, fourth one is gold coin. Gold coin. Gold coin, we can get the coin. We can get the lab of the big rate of gold. That what happens every year. Every 10 years, the rate of a gold is increasing very high. This is also a good option to invest our money and increase our money. Next sector is, next branch of our tree is insurance. Insurance is one such a sector where you get an opportunity to increase money with insurance. Insurance works when you lost. God forbid it happens. When you lost only earner of your family, this is time when you need money the most. The only solution to this problem is insurance. We can get the chance to earn tax on insurance even today and tomorrow also. Okay. Our next point is share market. Maybe this point is a new for you because you are not aware about this point. Insurance, share market. Share market is a place where you can become owner of the companies run by the others. By investing in share, we can make money in two ways: through dividends and by increasing value of our purchased share. I'll make the next video on it, providing the details on share market. Next branch of our tree is mutual fund. What is mutual fund? There is a way where you can make money in share market by one such person who is having 10 to 20 years experience. He or she is running that company, and he will make our next video providing the details on mutual fund. Okay, the next branch of our money tree is cryptocurrency. Children, you might have heard it in the news also. Earlier days, the news is highlighting about the cryptocurrency. Is a currency that does not come in one hand. That is, it exists only in digital form. So many people have earned lots of money out of it also. I'll make the next video about it too. Okay, the next is becoming partners. Next branch of our tree is becoming partner. We can earn money by investing our money by becoming partners in the others' business, shops, coaching, being opened by the people we know. Always deal in writing and registered with the government organizations only. Okay. The next point of our tree is borrowings. Borrowings. What is borrowings? Just like we give our pen pencil to our friends for some time, similarly we give our money to our acquaintances and withdraw our money every month with interest. So we can also do this work with some other companies, like for example credit. Next point of our money tree is we can say that main source of earning nowadays, very famous children, that is YouTube. Okay, nowadays people are earning money even by making YouTube videos. People are also earning money from blogs and Instagrams. In future we will make a video on this point separately. Okay, the next one is the next one more branch of our tree is we can earn money on by buying houses, shops. Okay, if we are buying house or shops, we can provide them on rent basis also, and we can resell on it also. So we can money we earn. We also earn money by buying a shop or houses and giving it to on rent. This is our favorite. This is the favorite work of so many people. Also do this after entering into a proper rent agreement. Okay, children. So children, now we are going to finish this video. All you must watch this video and my next video where we will teach you to earn from today itself. If you want, show this video to your parents and your friends too, and help the India to move forward very fast. Like this video to understand all the above points more deeply. Subscribe us, press the bell icon and share this video to all your friends to get information and latest updates about our upcoming videos. Thank you.